Have to pay attention here. Look at your left-hand scale. It's auto, and you'll see it's cranking up the numbers like 71 VSWR. Don't freak out yet. Let me show you what's going on. So you get the idea. So what I've done is I did a lot of work on the ballon here, but I want to show you as I touch the ground here and just ground it to me. Watch how the VSWR changes. I'm going to put this on auto scan. And again, if you look over here, you see, way up here, we're trying to get down to this line. So again, sorry, it is touch screen. And again, just bear with me. But watch what happens when I touch. There, you see that number. We want to get down low. So, look how flat that goes. Yeah, so we add a radial to this, extend this collapsible. It's like 5 sections. Should be able to tune that out with your with Nano, and you should be able to, like I say, get it within your auto tuner on your box. I mean, it's pretty much 10 meter on down. But again, I already have it, about 6 feet. So again, once we get this out in the field, set it up, I think we got a winner. And real happy with that. Let me show you a little picture. There we go. Get some numbers right there. Look at your bottom IMP. Again, this is coming off your feed. Probably out of feed line. Probably look a little better. Again, we'll get an actual picture. So pretty cool. And good day for data.